This is the review of the JLS FN SCAR from Airsoft for $150. Comes with a metal magazine. Opens up like any other M4 mag. Pouring the BBs there and wind up. The gun with a selector switch, safe, semi, and automatic. Cocking handle, which reveals the hop-up system dial on this side. Front sight and back sight. Foldable stock. Adjustable butt stock. 1, 2, 3. A top rail. You could mount anything on top of this rail. That's the beauty of the gun. Bottom rail, side, and the magazine release, which is also like the M4. To take out the battery, you have to take out this little black pin circle. I'm gonna push that out. Little pin right there. Pull off the muzzle, which reveals the battery compartment. This gun comes with a NIMH 8.4 volt battery, stick battery. Yeah, pretty good. And if you guys have a AEG, remember not to overcharge the battery, which might decrease the life of your battery. And that's about it. So this was a review of the JLS FN SCAR from airsplat.com. The website is on the right side of your screen. URL. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and yeah.